The kits that I'm using, or the pouches that I'm using, are SOE, Special Operations Equipment. I'll leave the link down below if you like. This is Multicam and this is Typhon. They're two different type of bags, but again, you could use them and customize them to the way that you like. Now for me, what I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share this video, put a comment down below, do all that good stuff. It really helps the algorithms. It really helps build this channel. I am not affiliated with SOE in any way. I've purchased all this stuff by myself. The stuff that's inside is the medical kit. That I'm going to put on the Amazon links down below, because what that does is I am affiliate of it. And every time you buy a Band-Aid or a bandage or whatever, I'll get like 20 cents on the dollar, so I really appreciate that. Really helps support the channel. Also, please remember to be a Patreon member. We don't know how long YouTube's going to stick around, so I want to give my Patreons really something to hold on to, especially if you're a big fan of the channel. And please make sure you go to 3riverblades.com. Check out all the knives I have up there if you're interested in a custom-made knife, or 3 River Kydex, where I use the same material I make my knife sheaths with to now make holsters and magazine pouches. Alright guys, let's pull this a little bit closer and get into this. Alright guys, this is called a FUPA. SOE sells it as a FUPA. This is the regular size. They also make an extra large. This is something that I would probably call a fanny pack or a waist pack. They used to be very, very popular in the 90s for people that were traveling. They put all their gear in there, like wallets and cameras and stuff like that. You kind of looked like a tourist when you wore it. The military kind of saw a resurgence in it. It's a lot easier to carry something around your waist, low around your waist, below your body armor. So it kind of made a resurgence. The name is kind of funny, but it's basically a fanny pack. What's cool about SOEs is that you can wear it as a waist bag, or you can wear it on your chest. That's what these are here for. You have 4 loops. It also comes with the extra straps. So when you buy one, you'll get the straps. You could configure it any way you want. Now inside this bag is just 2 panels of hook and loop. That's all there is. There's nothing else in there, so you're gonna have to buy extra accessories if you want to fill this up. For me, typically this bag is way different than the bag I use for my medical kit, because this is my trail bag. This is the bag that I use to go hunting. This is the one that I use to go camping, fishing. If I'm going to go on a trek, whatever it is, this is the one that I'm going to take. So it has different items in it. It's not going to have the same items as my other medical kits, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough in there. Again, you can see it's a little bit bulky because I kind of put a lot of stuff in there, but for, let's say, if I was going with a partner or somebody like that, most people that are new to the woods or new to the environment don't realize how dangerous it could be, so I'll pack extra kit for them as well. Okay, let's get into this thing. Alright, so on the outside, YKK zipper's really nice. Inside here, all I'm doing is keeping medical gloves. A whole bunch of medical gloves in there. I found that when I went hunting, I would use this bag. I also have medical gloves not only for myself, but if I'm dressing out a deer or something like that, I want to have enough in there. On the outside, you have this hook and loop. Okay, I think this is about a 4x4 piece of hook and loop, and this is just a patch that I got on Amazon. I'll put the links down below. It just tells everybody that it's a medical pouch. Okay, so 1 zipper on the outside, and then we'll break into this. Okay, all right, so for me, like I said, I like to have at least 1 tourniquet. Tourniquet is right there. All right, this is probably an older one. Yep, so this has to be replaced, but it's a cat tourniquet. I also like to have some type of splint. All right, this one, I don't know, it says Sam Splint Military North American Rescue. I don't know the size. I would, if I had to guess, it was probably 36 inches. All right, if I had to guess. So a lot of times you're walking in the woods, there's a lot of uneven ground. I like to have a splint in there just in case I need it. It's a lot better than putting 2 sticks together if you have to make somebody comfortable. Okay, like I said, inside here, what I have done is, this is also SOE. This is called their mesh pouch tear-offs. They make them in 2 sizes. This is the small size, and then they have the large size. And again, like I said, it's just Velcro backed. Another feature I like on here is inside you can see that there's these little loops of 550 cord. Okay, what that's for is if you wanted to wear it as a waist bag, and you didn't want it to clamshell all the way open, you can tie some 550 cord from this side to this side and actually have it stop midway. Okay, really cool design. I like that. Inside here again, if I rip this one out, if I rip this one out, you can see this is kind of how the bag comes. All right, it has 4 grommets. You can see right there. All right, and it's a very lightweight pack. All right, so let's just show you what's inside here again. So what I also like to point out is this is also Velcro, so if you wanted to put something on here like bleeds or let's say airway just to label your gear, you can. All right, and again, this is going to go with this. Is just an ace bandage. Show you what I have in here. Just pull all this stuff out. Okay, I got some gauze, triangle bandage. All right, I have some tincture of benzoin. I like saying that name. Moleskin, big on moleskin. This has the ones that are already pre-cut out. If you're humping around in the woods for a while, you're probably going to need some of that. You're going to get some blisters on your feet. Again, this is just more moleskin. I also have Vaseline petroleum gauze strips. Banana bag. All right, let's talk a little bit about this. This is an oral solution. Basically what it does is your electrolytes get depleted because you're sweating, you're running around in the woods. You just put this inside of some water, your canteen, mix it up, and it'll give you all your electrolytes back. Again, more moleskin, all right, because I have really soft feet. So sterile pads, 4x4s, and an H&H bandage. Okay, not a lot of stuff in there, but just enough to get things sorted out. Okay, and then in here I have some more stuff. All right, 2 chem lights. I have, this is basically wrap. Okay, it's tape. I forget the name of it. I'll put it down below. But it's wrap. What it does is a stretchy kind of tape. I have a black Sharpie and of course some transport tape. So tape's very important, especially when you're fixing boo-boos and stuff like that. All right, I have a trauma shears. Okay, let's see what else. I have some drugs in here. Let's see, this is alcohol swabs, burn gel, first aid, triple antibiotic, all that stuff, boo-boos and band-aid stuff. Okay, this is all ibuprofen. All right, I like to keep it in here. Obviously, if you're moving around in the woods for a long time, you're probably going to be a little bit sore. All right, this is for anti-diarrhea, and I also have Tylenol and a bunch of other little things in there, mostly stomach aids. And I think that's really what's going to happen is, in my opinion, the biggest problem I ran into when I'm out in the woods is going to be dehydration, big, right? Because you're moving around a lot. As long as you have water and you can replace those electrolytes. Also, pain, okay? I'm not a young man anymore, so my ibuprofen and Tylenol and headaches and joint aches and all that stuff. Also, if you need to, let's say you get in trouble, you need to mark your position. You know, I like to carry this. I also have in here a light. I don't know, I think I might have forgotten it in here somewhere. But I have a small medical light that's in here. If not, I'll put it back in there. I might have just taken it out. Things like that, or like a headlamp, okay? Some of those things are going to be very, very important, okay? For me, I think this is a great kit. Again, I bought 2 of these to fit inside the FUPA, and all you do is you push them in like this, fill up your kit, sandwich it up, and you're ready to go. So all in all, very, very excited about this. I hope you guys enjoy this type of stuff. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Go to SOE. If you go over there, just tell him I sent you from Three River Blades. I think he makes fantastic gear. I'm going to put all the links to all the kit that you see here down below. Like, subscribe, share, go to Patreon, be a Patreon member, and always, guys, please stay safe.